I miss you a lot.
Sim.
Why
What's
you?
going on with you? After
I have so many things to talk about me, but it's not just good things. I've been feeling alone in this place. I used to have a class with you and have um, more energy, and now I still I go to my house. I stay alone all the time. I miss you. I miss my family. It's not easy to have more time like that. Yeah.
Very sad.
I know you. You have 2 jobs.
Yes,
You work hard too.
I was in Haiti. I miss my family because we went to the restaurant together, eating together. Hi everyone, sorry I'm
Oh, you.
Oh yeah, I'm late.
You did it.
I'm late. There's more traffic outside, guys. I'm sorry. And I'm so happy to see you today. What's going on? What's news?
We're talking about our life before, but guys, I really happy to see you because I so happy to see you. I think we should make spend more time together because we had good time together. Yeah. And I know everybody here miss something from our country. I wanna know something about you guys. What you been doing?
Yeah,
what you been...
for me, I work hard. I try to find a better life with my family, me and my family in US, because we need it, and I try to finish my business administration here, and maybe after I'm gonna find a better job for better life. What about you, Guibert? I'm full-time job in Amazon, but now I'm fine in the job and CNA for have a better opportunity in my life.
CNA?
CNA, yes.
Wow, nice.
Nice. I get my license in CNA. Okay, Felando, are you?
For me, I told you I got a new job. It's very hard for me because I don't have time for my family right now.
You have
Two kids.
Yeah.
Your son and the other. It's very difficult for me because I have to leave my house 6 a.m., and I don't have time to back. It's very difficult for me. Sometimes I never see my son, my daughter.
Oh, it's too bad.
You know, it's very not very good for me. And you, Julie, what's going on?
For me, there's a big difference in my life. I achieved my goals. I've graduated from my school, but at the beginning when I came to America, I feel a sense of stranger and lonely. Yeah, in my life, I do everything alone, and I have no friend. And I miss
You have
I mean, at the beginning,
Thank you, guys.
Não me deixar mentir. Em um único dia, meu povo, 112 mil em um único dia. Essa taxa de reembolso, antes de você falar, caraca, 9 mil reais de reembolso, percentualmente falando, é bem baixo. A taxa média do mercado é 10, 15%.
Approaching. North Station. Doors will open on the right.
Viu? Eu faço bom para amor.
I am Simone, I'm from Brazil.
My name is Guibert.
My name is Felando. I'm from Haiti.
My name is Nixon. I'm a student of Immigrant.
My name is Julie, I'm from China.
And I'm so happy to be here.
I'm very happy.
I'm very happy.
And I'm happy.
Thank you for watching.